In this video, I'll be going over the new announcement that Robinhood just came out with a couple days ago that Robinhood said, and they actually updated their app and added some new features to it, but Robinhood said that they're coming out with cryptocurrencies. You're going to be able to buy cryptocurrencies on the Robinhood app 24/7, and the best part of it, just like everything else on the Robinhood app, it's going to be absolutely free, no commissions, no fees, nothing at all. But before I get in this video, if you haven't checked out my channel before, I talk about investing, I talk about the stock market, really anything that has to do with money. So if you're interested in anything like that, definitely head over onto my channel, Investing Potentials, which is pulled up right behind me, and consider subscribing. But other than that, another little intro thing, if you've been following my channel, as you can see, I haven't posted a video in the past the past week, past 5-6 days, and that is because I was away, which I announced beforehand. But if you didn't get that message, that is why I haven't been posting videos. But I'm going to try to crank out quite a few videos over the next week or so, kind of make up for that, and then I'll go back to the same routine of posting a video every single day. But other than that, getting into the video, like I said, the Robinhood app is coming out with cryptocurrencies, and I think this is really interesting and really cool, honestly. And one thing that I think it shows about Robinhood as a company is that even though when their app started out, I started using the app in January of 2017, and that's really when I first heard about it. I downloaded it, only put a couple $100s in it, and since then the app has really evolved and has done a lot of different things to make it better and better, which I really like, and makes me confident as a user and as someone who uses the app every single day to continue to use it and continue to make these videos about it and continue to like the app, because they are continuously updating it with some pretty major updates. The first thing obviously if you've been using the app as long as I have, or if you've been using it even longer than I have, at the beginning the app was kind of crappy. It didn't really work super great. There was a lot of issues and glitches with it. It was still decent and still free overall, but it wasn't the best. And even since I've been using it, it has improved a lot. But cryptocurrencies, if I open the app up right now on my phone, there's a couple. They have the main three, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, and they also have a couple others. They have Bitcoin Cash, which is like the new, I guess, fourth Bitcoin that a lot of people are investing in. They have Ripple, QTUM, Ethereum Classic, Stellar, Neo, Zcash, Monero, Dash, Bitcoin Gold, Lisk, Amisco, I don't know how to say that, and Dogecoin. Now, I'm not a huge investor in Bitcoin. I pretty much don't invest in it at all. When I do invest in it, I was using the Coinbase app, which is a great app to invest in Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency. If you're interested, definitely download that app. But now that Robinhood's coming out with cryptocurrencies, I'm probably only going to trade cryptocurrencies, if I do ever at all, on the Robinhood app. And a couple things about this, like I said, they currently have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 cryptocurrencies that you can currently invest in, and they're saying that you can invest them in 24/7, which is like any currency you would invest in, even if you're investing in the, USD or Japanese, or Australian dollar, whatever it may be, you can still always invest in those in 24/7. That's just how Forex trading works. But so I'm not surprised that it's 24/7, but the platform itself looks kind of cool. They're going with like a different color scheme for whatever reason. When you're trading cryptocurrencies, it's like a purple and black kind of thing. But a couple things about this. People will probably ask, hey, are you gonna actually invest in Bitcoin or some cryptocurrencies? I might put a very, very small amount into Bitcoin. My Robinhood portfolio is almost at $4,000 right now, so it would definitely be nothing more than like 5-10% at the max, probably 10% at the high maximum that I would invest now. I previously was even more skeptical about investing because some of the cryptocurrencies were charging outrageous fees, or not the cryptocurrencies, but the ways you could trade them were charging like 20% fees, or like $10 a trade or something like that. The best one out there right now is still Coinbase, so definitely use the link in the description and download that if you're interested in trading cryptocurrencies before Robinhood comes out with them. But Coinbase only charges like a 1 or 2% fee, which is probably the lowest out there, or at least the lowest that I've seen. But I really don't still believe in investing in cryptocurrencies yet. I don't have any profit, or I don't have any money in them at all. But I think it's really cool that Robinhood continues to evolve as a platform and as a company. But the other thing is that I believe they said it would come out in like February, or like mid or late to or 2018. But one thing to note, they claim that they're coming out with Robinhood Online in early 2018, which is still, only January. It's almost February now, but they said that they're going to come out with options trading, which they haven't come yet. So I'm assuming cryptocurrencies on the Robinhood app will be the third thing that they come out with, because they still have to come out with the web platform and the options trading. So this is definitely going to be a couple months, or at least a few months down the road. I would probably expect it to be around summer 2018, or probably closer to fall 2018. So if you're looking to invest in cryptocurrencies right now, I wouldn't rely on the Robinhood app. I would probably go head over to Coinbase for now. But I think this is really cool that Robinhood's doing it. And as soon as they come out with it, if you're investing anything in cryptocurrencies, I would definitely head over into the Robinhood app. And right now they even have it updated. But the thing that I'm kind of like confused about is that they have the cryptocurrencies, like you can actually look at them on the Robinhood app. So I'm not sure if that means that it's going to come out sooner than options and Robinhood Online or the Robinhood web, because the options, they didn't add anything new for options at all on the Robinhood app. And they didn't, you can go to robinhood.com, but it just says you're in line or you're on the waiting list. It doesn't give you an option to check it out or anything like that. So I'm not sure if because they added it to this that it's going to be available sooner, but I guess we'll have to find out. And another thing to note is that apparently I saw a couple blog posts on this, that it's not going to come to every single state right away, which I believe Coinbase is available in all of the US. I'm not actually 100% sure of it. I live in New York and it's available in New York, but so that's one thing to take into consideration. I'm almost 100% sure initially when they launch it, or at least right now, as of now, that they don't have the right licensing agreements or whatever, or the right legal requirements to be able to do it in every single state. Now, it's a lot of the big states. I believe New York is either on the list or close to becoming on the list, and pretty much all the big states are on there. But sadly, if you live in probably Idaho or something like that, you might not be able to trade it. So that's one thing to note too. I would do your own research and look that up, because maybe by the time that they actually release cryptocurrencies, you'll be able to trade it in your state. But if you're international, it doesn't concern you anyways, but because I don't believe you can download the Robinhood app anywhere internationally yet, but hopefully they'll be coming out with that soon as well, which honestly, considering how far they've come and how many adjustments they made to the app and how many additions they made to the app, I definitely think that they're going to add international trading as well. But anyways, I'm going to wrap it up for the video. I think it's really, really cool that Robinhood's coming out with cryptocurrencies. I'll probably be investing a very, very small amount in probably only Bitcoin right now. I'm not going to mess with any of those altcoins or really anything out of the top three. Maybe literally 1% or in Litecoin, and maybe 1% in Ethereum. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, definitely drop a like. And comment below if you're going to be downloading the Robinhood app or be using the Robinhood app to trade cryptocurrencies. And like I said before, if you haven't checked out my channel before, I talk about investing, I talk about the stock market, really anything that has to do with money. And I guess I talk about cryptocurrencies now, every now and then, not too often though. But so if you're interested in anything like that, definitely head over to my channel, Investing Potentials, and consider subscribing. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching.